Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to decorate more of my 2020 Hobonichi journal. It is the A5 Cousin Avec, and you saw me make this cover, but I'm a total dork, moron idiot, and I forgot that I had bought a whole bunch of stickers to decorate my journal too, so I'm going to be using those today. So I got this piece of mail from the University of Iowa where I went to school, and they're basically asking me for money, but I don't have any extra money to give them right now, but I did love the card, so I cut it out and hopefully gonna put it in my journal. And then one of my wonderful subscribers, Heather, wrote me this super awesome poem, and so I got on Canva and I turned it into a little card, and I am going to glue it or stick it in my journal because I just thought it was so funny and cute. And then while I was on Canva, I started playing around and I made this sticker, which I have as a PDF. So I'm going to link that below for you guys so that you can have it too. And this was a piece of collage that I had pulled out of a Real Simple a long time ago, and I just loved it. And so I wanted to put that in my journal. It's like a girl like blowing the prickly things like off a cactus, kind of. And then I'm so dumb. I had bought these stickers from Redbubble like a month ago. I had got in my head, since I wasn't in love with any of the journals that I saw, the journal covers on Hobonichi for 2020, that I wanted to get a bunch of stickers from Redbubble of just my favorite things that I just love more than life, and decorate my cover with those. I had stuck it in a shelf upstairs and forgot all about them because of Thanksgiving and all the craziness. So now I'm like, shoot, what do I do? So I'm going to use those too. And I guess we'll figure it out later. So that's the cover that I just made, the like fabric-y cover. And I love it, but I also love these stickers. So now we're in a real conundrum, aren't we? So there's my I Believe in You sticker that I made. Like I said, I'll link it below. And I printed it out on one of those big Avery like full sheet labels, shipping labels, so it turned into a giant sticker. And my printer is shitty. So if you have a nice printer, it's really cute. And I wanted to give it to you guys because I believe in you. So, and then I used the poem that Heather wrote me in the comments. It's so cute. Is it weird to put a poem that's talking about how awesome you are in your own journal? Maybe, but I just thought it was so cute that I wanted to put it in there. So I did that. And then I'm using some cat washi that is adorable. You can see a cat like barfing up a green pile in the middle. Absolutely amazing. This was from the sweetest subscriber from Iceland. She sent me a little package with this washi and some postcards that she made, and the sweetest note. And I just thank you so much. I know you're watching. I hope you are. And that meant so much to me. You have no idea. And I put all of the things that I could salvage in my journal now. And then I'm saving the postcard and everything. So I just wanted to say thank you. And this cat washi that she sent me was absolutely incredible. And then I just picked out other cat washi that I had just because I wanted this to be just full of my favorite things, like I said. And one of my sort of goals for 2020, a resolution, if you will, is to just, kind of go with the flow. And so I love this image because it sort of embodies what I just kind of want to live like in 2020. And that motto is,
let that shit go.
Let it go. I mean, just don't hang on to the negativity. Let that shit go. And so that's what I put in my journal, and I thought that image was the perfect image, and I loved it. So I wanted to put that in there, and then I just hand lettered my little mantra, my 2020 mantra. So let us all live by that in 2020, and just let it go. Because life is too damn short. So let it go and use the stickers. Those are my two pieces of advice for 2020. And then here's all the stickers that I ordered from Redbubble of my favorite things. Basically, Sasquatch. I love Sasquatch. If you guys are new here, I am a believer. I love Sasquatch. I want to see a Sasquatch. But then, on the other hand, do I? I don't know. But I believe. And that you're a wizard. You're a wizard, Harry. I love that. So I got that. And then the one with the 3 stars is from A Court of Thorn and Roses. And then I got a little Pisces constellation thing because you know how I am about horoscopes and stuff like that. So the dinosaur one, clever girl, that is from Jurassic Park. So you guys, it's just a compilation of my favorite things in life. Jurassic Park, Court of Thorn and Roses, Sasquatch, horoscopes, Harry Potter.
Wow, I sound like a big fucking dork, don't I?
Oh, Lord, am I ever. And then I love the cover of the little pamphlet that comes with the 2020 Hobonichi. That little girl holding the journal is like my favorite. And so I decided to cut her out with her little speech bubble in her journal, and I glued her on the front. I think she is so adorable. Because, you know, journals and books, they're also my favorite. Trimmed off the little excess, and then I am whiting out the Japanese characters, and I'm putting a sticker of a cat. Because what am I usually thinking about? Cats. I just loved it. So what's usually in my journal? I don't know, cats. And then there was a sticker of a cat butthole. And I loved it. If you didn't see my planner for last year, it was full of cat butts, and I was obsessed with it. And it was a Midori. And then this little Goranian stamp with the cat. And I have the sweetest subscriber, Sarah. We've been emailing back and forth, and she lives in England and the UK. And she's just incredibly adorable and sweet, and she sent me these stickers and some Luna stamps, and just so cute. You guys, the letters that you send me are just so, I love them. And like I said, not things, but just the words, but the cutest things. So I put a little, it was like a chipboard sticker of a little camera, and I put that by the Sasquatch, and then some hearts and the ampersand. Because I added the hearts because, well, you guys know me, there's always hearts in my spreads. So I thought that my cover had to have some hearts on it. And those were from an American Crafts booklet. And then since I had covered up the January to June, I cut out some of those from an American Crafts sticker book. And then I go to decorating the inside. That Iowa card was too big, so I trimmed it down, and then I glued it in the front cover next to my I Believe in You sticker. And I just love it because I'm diehard black and gold. University of Iowa all the way. And then I decided that I wanted to put my little Luna, she doesn't even go here sticker from Mean Girls, because I love Mean Girls. That's dating me. And basically that die cut is my favorite. And then I loved this Isla Nublar coffee sticker. It's like the Starbucks sticker, except for, you know, Jurassic Park. That was also from Redbubble. And then Jamie sent me this die cut journal goals. I think it was Jamie. No, I'm getting confused. Yes. And then a moon sticker because I love like planet things, the universe and stuff. And this sloth running team, we'll get there when we get there. I love that sticker. Oh my God, I love it so much. And then my little 13.1 sticker, because Michael grabbed me too when we did the half marathon and the marathon. So I wanted to put that in there next to the sloth running team. And then here's a sticker from Tokyo Pen Shop that they send in their orders. I love their little critter that's like stick a set out of a pen cup. I love that. And So yeah, you guys, this is basically just a conglomeration of everything that I love. And that unicorn, like shitting rainbows with a little nurse's hat on, it said pediatric nurse. And I knew that when I bought it. I didn't want it to say pediatric nurse. I just wanted the nurse unicorn with rainbows coming out of her butt, because that's how I feel at work. Like I have to just show up and shit rainbows. So that's, it couldn't have been more perfect, really. And then more cat washi. And then I got that fat black cat that was like a fairy, just because of my black cats and Fatty and, you know, the whole 9 yards. This watercolor plus washi is from a website called Stickerific. I'll link it below. I don't know if it's still there, but I love it. It's so cute. And then I use, let's see, this is MT washi, I believe. And then I have some Recollections washi from Michaels. And then pieces of washi maybe that you guys have sent me. Couple of people have sent me some samples of washi. And I just adore it. And I just wanted it to be bright colors and fun. And like I said, full of the things that I love. So if you guys don't know what Redbubble is, you need to check it out. It's basically a website where you can get a bunch of stickers and different stuff too. And you can search just basically whatever you want to. I searched NICU nurse, Harry Potter, Sasquatch, just, yeah, anything that you would want a sticker of, you can find it. I think I searched fat black cat and then got the black cat fairy, you know, so go have fun. And the more you buy, the bigger discount you get. I think I spent like $20 or something on all those stickers. And like I said, how could I forget that I had them? I was so excited about them and still am. When I discovered them, I was like, oh no, what do I do now? I want to use it all. So I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm just adding more washi just to make it colorful and fun, basically. And some people were like, geez, this style of that fabric cover, you know, it's different from what I'm used to seeing from you. And I'm like, I know. I used to be like more of that kind of style, but I guess I've always sort of liked this style too. So maybe this journal is just going to be a mashup, hybrid of everything. But then if I use my journal cover that I made, you won't be able to see the cute stickers. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I don't know, you guys. And then I saw Atelier, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, Designs on Instagram. She's got the cutest like jelly covers that look like hollow confetti. And I thought, oh man, if I got one of those, then you could still see the stickers, but it would protect my cover. So I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I'm just a disaster. And so this is just basically the finished product.
And I'm obsessed.
Can I just tell you, I'm obsessed. So if you are looking for something to do, just go search Redbubble, get lost, do some collaging, and you'll be the happiest person in the entire world. I hope you guys are having fun getting your 2020 journals ready, and I will see you guys soon, and we'll start maybe preparing some pages. Bye, guys.